Being outside provides children with a happy, healthy environment. It gives them a place to take risks. So research is showing that without that outdoor play, children aren't as strong as they were, they aren't taking risks in the same way, they don't have as much self-regulation as they once did. In our junior kindergarten program, so these are the 4-year-olds going on 5s, we have taken our daily play workshop outside at least once a week. And what that means is we're giving our children this nature space. So instead of using indoor plastic tools or blocks, they're outside, they're discovering in nature. And what that develops, number one, is creativity. And then the self-regulation. They're trying new things, and that gets frustrating. And they have to learn to try again and continue to work on building their resilience. And those are the two most important pieces for us and with our children.
When you're in a confined space and you're asking for students' focus, there's a limited time that all students have to bring that focus to bear. And I think that varies based on the student and the classroom and the team that you're trying to build. With the health and wellness committee that we're on, we were trying to brainstorm ways to allow health and wellness to permeate every aspect of the Steward School, so it can be one of the pillars that we build upon. And going outside and doing purposeful work can have logistical complexity. We had the idea that we wanted to create a mobile outdoor classroom that had some of the tools that would be required to effectively engage in class outside, rather than having the task of assigning multiple students to carry different implements out and then bring them back. We have a cart, we have the tools, and let's just roll outside and begin our exploration.
That having that connection to nature actually creates a healthier adult. The other piece of it as well is their creativity. Studies also and research show that kids that spend more time outside, not just doing free play, but also immersed in nature, are statistically more creative as adults as well. Why not? This is who we are, right? How long has it been since we've all been stuck indoors in front of computers? It's pretty recent, right? So we might as well, as educators, we realize, let's use the powerful tools that we have at our resources, and this campus is just ripe for opportunity for resources for outdoor education and just outdoor spaces.
The minute the strategic plan was released to us and explained to us, I knew immediately I wanted to be on the wellness committee. Personally, mindfulness is something everybody is hearing that term bandied about. And one of the easiest ways to start implementing mindfulness is to go outside and find a calm spot. And the fact that the Steward School is recognizing in 2019 that everybody needs to take care of self and stop and take a moment and take care of their emotional well-being is a gift. We're very lucky at Steward that we're able to take this and really implement many ways to make it work for every individual.